Hello, my name's Donnie, and what I would like to do is go over the blind or cold call transfer on the Cisco 8841. You'll notice my phone is idle currently, which means that I can either place a call or receive a call. But in this instance, what we're going to do is I'm going to emulate how to blind or cold call transfer. So we're going to dial out, and I'm going to call an 800-444-4444 number, which just repeats our number back and forth back to us, so we can kind of do this call and show you. So I'm going to call right now. I'm going to just dial down, call. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the receiver, so that way it's not blaring over the speaker for you guys. But you'll notice now we are on an active call. And with this active call, we have our soft keys, which have changed. We have end call, conference, blind transfer, and more. In other videos, I'll go over more of these features and functions. But first things first, what we'd like to do is show you, if you place a call on hold, that means it's on hold locally on this phone. And you'll notice that we're on hold, right? And then we have resume, end call, new call, more. But we're going to go ahead and resume this. The whole reason I wanted to show you the hold is because I don't have to press hold to do the blind transfer. I just wanted you to see what that looks like, because when I press the blind transfer, it's going to look similar, but it's going to allow me to dial an extension or an outside line. So when we press this, you'll notice it goes on hold here. And then now, like I said, I can dial an extension or outside line. We will just do an extension. And you'll notice, because I'm talking, that it went to an invalid number. Don't freak out. I know it's a new phone. What you can do is just press end call, and that's just allowing you to go back to the customer or client. And we'll call this Bob, so that way we know what we're kind of doing. So this is Bob that we have on the phone. Bob needs to talk to Donnie. So we'll resume this, and we say, hey, Bob, give me a sec. It's a new phone system. I'm trying to figure this out. I'll get you to Donnie. We don't need to talk to Donnie, which that's why we will do the blind or cold call transfer. We'll press the blind cold call transfer, and we will just dial Donnie's extension, 213. And then you can follow it with call. And then once you do that, you'll notice it goes clear here, and this is actually Donnie's phone. So we just took it and sent it over to Donnie's phone, and I'm going to go ahead and answer and I'm going to call. And that is what we would do for a blind or cold call transfer. Now, on the receiving end for Donnie, on his caller ID, he would get the customer or client's information. So all his caller ID information that would be published would be sent through on that transfer. Not talking to Donnie, we're just taking the call and sending them to Donnie. Now, if Donnie doesn't answer, his phone's going to ring 4 times, and then it'll go into Donnie's voicemail. But that is how you do a blind or cold call transfer. Thank you.